Unity Day.
It is.
Come here. What's Unity Day? You're supposed to bully people?
Yeah. No, definitely not. Saying hi to someone, holding a door for someone. Unity Day is time.
It's the whole thing of being united and not bullying things, singling kids out and being kind to each other. And then if you look at some of the flags, they are all classes holding up the orange signs, and the whole thing is going to spell unity as a whole school.
Unity Day is when we celebrate all together as a whole community at school.
No matter what, we'll stick together up until the very end. Oh, I love my friends. Friends are there for highs and lows. They're anywhere, life ebbs and flows. When I'm with my friends, I'm not alone. And even when we're far apart, they'll...
Okay. Anytime? So we had a Red Ribbon Week committee that was comprised of 7th graders and 8th graders, and they came up with themes for Red Ribbon Week, which is to celebrate doing something different, wearing a symbol of something that shows that you're, instead of using drugs or alcohol, you're going to do something fun and make a commitment to drug-free life.
Obviously, you don't see drugs and alcohol, right? Anyone using that. But as time goes on, your life will become more stressful, and you won't have so much support. So if we're all here, we're here to support each other, right?
A lot of the video content and the social media, they target kids at this age to try to get them early, especially with vaping and trying to make it cool.
I would 100% consider social media an addiction. It's so easy to get sucked into it, and watching people watch your friends.
Here at the middle school in 7th and 8th grade, we do substance abuse prevention education in our health curriculum with a big focus on the importance of making these right decisions younger so that it's easier as they get older.